Hello guys, you welcome to my channel. I am VT Samuel. I basically focus on content that has to do with AI, how to create content with AI. Please, if you want to be a good creator, you want to be a good content creator, you should always be here on this channel. And how can you be a member of this channel? By just subscribing. Hit the subscribe button and then you're going to see amazing. I post elongated, well-explained videos on AI content creations. If you stay here, you will remain blessed. So today, let's dive straight into this. Today I want to take you through how to create Faceless YouTube video using AI. This is the step-by-step guide and it is a beginner guide precisely. So what if I told you that you can start a YouTube channel, grow an audience, and even make money? Yes, without ever showing your face. Well, that sounds unbelievable, right? I had to be mute for a moment. Well, thousands of creators are already doing it. In fact, some of the biggest channels on YouTube use faceless videos powered by AI. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't need a dating experience. You don't need to be an expert. In this video, I'll show you the complete process of creating faceless YouTube video using AI, from finding an idea to publishing your finished video. So let's get started. Now, what are faceless YouTube videos? The first major question. Well, faceless YouTube videos are videos where the creator never appears on camera. Instead, they use AI-generated videos, stock footage, screen record, animations, slideshows, images, AI voiceover, even some people use infographics. Of course, I'm still going to be taking a course on infographics later. So now, viewers focus on the content, not the creator's face. They don't want to see the creator's face. Yes, that's why faceless channels can work in almost any niche. If then, you won't know who exactly owns this channel. You won't know who exactly owns it. You're going to see a channel, sometimes you might think it is a white person that owns it, sometimes I think it's a black person that owns it, and that's it. That's the beauty of faceless channel. It will hide the identity of the owner. Yes, except the owner is using his or her name. Good. So now, why faceless channels are growing? Well, there are three major reasons. First, they are easy to create. The first reason why faceless channels are growing is because they are easy to create. Second, they allow shy creators to start without being on camera. You don't have to be on camera before you start creating content. If you have always been